Hey guys, I'm Props, and today I'm going to show you how I made a steampunk mechanical glove out of random scraps. So the first thing you want is an old leather glove. I literally found this on the side of the road, so just look around and you'll probably find one somewhere. Then go through and weather it with some black craft paint that I watered down. This is just to give it a nice worn look. You could buy a newer glove, and that would probably suit your needs fine for this, but I chose to use an older glove. Then go through and start gluing on a bunch of random pieces. I made a little wrist cover piece and then just glued on a bunch of old parts, just wires and some gears. I was trying to make a gearbox for another project and I had quite a few prints fail about halfway through, so I used the gears and the gear parts and the worm gear of that and just glued those on. You really can use whatever suits your needs, and if you wanted some specialty parts you can just go online and print those out. I also made some finger armor parts, just cutting some parts out of cardboard and then gluing some random parts on there. You really guys want to make a scrap bin or something if you're going to be prop building for a while, just because it gives you a great source of greeblies and stuff. Anything from old toys, broken electronics, literally anything can be useful. I had just have a bin of just random junk that I just collect. It's just a bunch of small parts. I just glue a bunch of stuff on just to make a good mechanical look. I did glue on some wires and stuff connecting all the fingers together just to give it a more cohesive look. I also used some Gundam runners, and those things are really good for giving a sci-fi look, which isn't necessarily what I'm going for, but I'll take it. Then go through and spray paint the whole glove black. Well, not the glove, all the parts black, and this just gives it a really nice base coat. And then go through and dry brush on some bronze and some gold paint. This gives it a really nice worn look. I've seen some other channels use some just craft paints and brush that on, or just rub it on with their fingers, and it gives it a really nice bronze rubbed look like a lot of antique things have. And then go through and glue all of the armor bits onto the glove. You want to make sure to use a low heat glue gun, otherwise you could burn yourself. I don't have a low heat glue gun, so I just let the hot glue dry for a minute before I stuck it on myself. And then once that's done, it looks pretty fine. I'm really happy with how this turned out. It's not the most amazing thing I've built, but it definitely looks pretty cool. And just for something that I threw together in a day, I think it is pretty fine. If any of you guys make any of these, be sure to let me know. Be sure to check out my Etsy shop. I don't have this on there right now. It will probably be up there at some point, but I have a bunch of 3D printed stuff and lightsabers and some other props and things that I've designed and printed on there. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys don't mind liking and subscribing, please do. Let me know if you guys have any builds you guys want me to make, and I'll get right on them. See you guys next video. Thanks for watching.